Hello guys, welcome to my channel Iron Tech. I hope you all are fine and enjoying the previous videos. So guys, as you know, we started a series in which I teach you about how you can create Facebook posts on different niches. So in today's video, I will teach you how you can create Facebook posts on meditation niche. You can sell this skill on Fiverr and other freelancing platforms. You can also target the offline markets, and you can go to google.com and search websites according to meditation niche and ask them about that you can maintain their social media presence or their social Facebook presence and offer them your services, and they will surely hire you. So it is a very easy skill to learn. It takes 4 to 5 minutes hardly. So let's go towards canva.com. Guys, if you don't know about canva.com is one of the best graphic designing software tool online available, and it is very easy and handy to use. It is easy to learn. If you want to know completely about Canva, then go to my channel Iron Tech, go to the playlist section where I uploaded the complete playlist on Canva designing, and after watching the playlist you will surely know everything about Canva. So create a design, and here I search Facebook post. I choose Facebook post square. So here I search meditation. So it shows us different templates. We will choose one of the template, and this one is good. Yeah, it's look good, but first of all I would like to change the photo. So we go to photos, and here I search meditation. Yeah, it's look good. After that, it's look good. After that, we have to add some elements. So yeah, it's look good. If you want to change the code, you can change the code. You can change the customize the this template. So that's it for today. I hope you like the video. If you like the video, then click the subscribe button and share it with your friends and family so they can also learn and earn through it. I will meet you in the next video. Till then, keep learning. Goodbye.